$100,000 a day. That's how much Texas Health and Human Services has to pay for failing to investigate claims of abuse and neglect of children in the foster care system in a timely manner.
As KXAN's Avery Travis reports, it is not the first time a federal judge has found the state of Texas in contempt for failures in the foster care system. She dug into the judge's latest decision and has more on what happens next.
Time is running out. Children's lives are at stake. We just can't wait any longer.
But as a lawsuit over the treatment of children in the state's care stretches into its 13th year, the attorney representing those kids, Paul Yetter, says he's not surprised to see a federal judge taking action again. This time in the form of a fine. $50,000 a day for each of the court-ordered reforms U.S. District Judge Janice Jack says child welfare officials aren't meeting. While much of the focus in recent years has been on the Department of Family and Protective Services, this time the judge zeroed in on Health and Human Services and the investigations unit it has for providers of foster care. She says this unit is not only failing to consider the safety of children during investigations of abuse and neglect, but also isn't meeting the 30-day deadline to complete certain high-priority investigations, a deadline outlined in her nearly 4 dozen court-ordered reforms imposed back in 2018.
The circumstances have changed, but the result is the same. It's unsafe and the children are being hurt.
It's not the first time the judge has held Texas child welfare officials in contempt over these orders. In 2019 and 2020, she focused on things like not having enough overnight supervision of kids and the proper disclosure of abuse allegations. Just a few months ago, the private attorneys hired to represent the state asked for relief in the case. They argue the state has taken extraordinary measures to better the system and spent more than $100 million trying to comply with the judge's orders. But in her latest order, the judge points to the actual experience of several kids in the system, especially that of a 15-year-old girl living at a residential treatment facility who made several outcries of physical and even sexual abuse. Record shows she remained at the facility through 12 separate state investigations into abuse and neglect, several of which lasted months. Others languished for over a year. The child ultimately ended up in the hospital with a broken jaw. The facility has since closed, but the judge's order calls this child's story the best illustration of unexplained delays, deficient processes, and, quote, an utter disregard for the child's safety. Avery Travis, KXAN Investigates.
And under the judge's order, HHSC leadership must pay the fine daily until it can provide evidence that it's meeting the judge's expectations. A spokesperson for HHSC told KXAN the agency is in the process of reviewing the judge's 427-page decision.